So in this session I will explain about how the salt can be used for preparation of other substances. The first substance that can be prepared from salt is sodium hydroxide, and its chemical formula is NaOH. So this is salt, that is NaCl, which is mixed with water H2O so as to form NaOH, along with chlorine and hydrogen gas are formed. So how this is actually made? So this is taken in a beaker as shown in the diagram, which is consisting of the salt solution of sodium chloride. That salt solution is called as brine. You can see here in the diagram, brine to NaCl is passed from one end, left end of the beaker, and there are two electrodes. One which is connected to plus sign of the battery is called as anode, and the other which is at the negative terminal of the battery, that electrode is called as cathode. The right side is cathode rod and left side is anode rod. So here, when the battery is passed, when the current is passed by applying the battery, the NaCl will decompose and it will become Na and Cl. The sodium metal will be deposited on the cathode and chlorine will move towards the anode, left side. From that, the chlorine, excess chlorine, will be going outside in the form of gas. This chlorine which is coming out from the container, it will be used for water treatment, swimming pools. This chlorine is put so as to clean the water. It should become free from germs. It is acting as disinfectant. It is used in polyvinyl chloride preparations and also in CFC, chlorofluorocarbons, and in pesticides also this chlorine is utilized. Next, coming to the hydrogen gas, which is liberated here on the right part. This hydrogen gas is used for fuels, for preparation of the fuels, margarine and ammonium, for the fertilizer NH3, that is nothing but the ammonia which is used for fertilizer is added to the soil to make the soil fertile. It will give more mm, good crops yields. And the waste whichever is obtained, and that is nothing but the product which is obtained here is brine, that is sodium hydroxide, and that sodium hydroxide is nothing but NaOH. It is alkali. Alkali means the base which is soluble in water, which can dissolve in water. And this alkali, what is obtained, no, that is used for degreasing metals. Degreasing means you might have seen the metals, it will get greased up. To so much grease will be there on the metals after putting oils and working together for long periods of time. So that grease part can be removed with the NaOH, sodium hydroxide. So this sodium hydroxide is used for paper making and also for making the fibers. This sodium hydroxide can be utilized. This is how the sodium hydroxide is prepared in the beaker, or this is a big plant which is making all the brine solution inside, passing the electrolyte current, and that process is called as electrolysis process. Next substance that can be prepared from the salt is bleaching powder, and its chemical formula is CaOCl2. How it can be performed is, slake lime is taken, which is nothing but CaOH2. It is combined with chlorine gas so as to form the bleaching powder, along with water is formed. This is used for in textile industry, in paper manufacturing industry, for removing the stains, and it is also used as an oxidizing agent in chemical industries as well as in the water treatment plants, so as to make the water free from germs. So this bleaching powder is added in water also. Next component which is there is baking soda. This baking soda chemical formula is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. How it is prepared? It is prepared from the salt, water, carbon dioxide, and ammonia. All these are mixed together so as to form the ammonium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate. That is nothing but the baking soda. This baking soda is used in idlis, in bread, bakeries, and all, so that the quantity of the food ingredient increases. This is how the sodium hydrogen bicarbonate, when it is baked, when it is heated, first it is put in the baking bread and all, that a gram is flour is taken, baking powder is put in that, and it is kneaded and kept, and then it is heated on in the oven. That is what is going to take place here. When it baking powder is heated, it will give out sodium carbonate, water, and carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide which is coming out will escape from the bread particles. So you might have seen many holes will be formed, and it will make the bread very soft. Similarly, in dosas also, when the baking powder is put in the material whatever is taken, and then if it is heated, you might have seen on the tawa there will be many holes created, because from those holes the carbon dioxide which is released will be going out, and dosa will become soft. So what actually is happening is neutralization is going to take place after heating, because salt and water is produced here. Baking powder, if it is heated, it is going to perform the neutralization reaction, because it is forming new products, salt and water along with carbon dioxide. What are the uses of baking powder? This is uh, used in cooking. It is used in antacid. Antacid means the tablet which we take when the stomach is having excess of acid. When a person is suffering from acidity and all, the antacid tablet can be taken so as to neutralize. Acid reacts with this base. Baking powder is nothing but a base, and it will form water neutral, that is salt and water are formed. And this is also used in soda acid fire extinguisher. That fire extinguisher will not allow the fire to spread, because carbon dioxide is coming out after it is given out or after it is heated. Whenever this baking powder is put on the heat, what is formed here? Carbon dioxide is formed. Carbon dioxide will not allow the oxygen to mix with the fire, and the fire will extinguish. And next component that can be prepared is washing soda, and its chemical formula is Na2CO3 with one water molecule H2O. So this is the recrystallization of sodium carbonate, and it is going to form water molecule with sodium carbonate, which is called as washing soda. So this process is called as recrystallization of sodium carbonate. See here, one molecule of sodium carbonate is mixed with 10 molecule of water. It gives the washing soda. What are the uses of washing soda? In glass, soap and paper industry, it can be used for making those, and it is used in the preparation of borax powder, which is used for different applications as a pesticide and all, and it is used as a cleaning agent for domestic purposes. This washing soda can be used for washing, that is cleaning purposes, and it can also be used for removing the permanent hardness of water. If you put this washing soda in hard water, it will remove the hardness and make the clothes very clean. Next component we will discuss here is hydrated copper sulfate. So this is CuSO4.5H2O, means it is having some water component, that is called as hydrated. How many component, how many molecules are there in this hydrated copper sulfate? 5 molecules of water, because H2O in front of that 5 is written, means 5 molecules of water is present. Next we come across plaster of Paris, which is also called as POP. Short form is POP, plaster of Paris. How this plaster of Paris is prepared? It is prepared from the gypsum. Gypsum chemical formula is CaSO4 dot 2H2O, 2 molecules of water. When this gypsum is heated at 373 degree Kelvin, it will give calcium sulfate with half molecule of water. That is called as plaster of Paris. Now, this plaster of Paris, that is calcium sulfate with half molecule of water, if it is mixed with 1.5 molecule of water, it will again give gypsum. That means to the plaster of Paris, if water is added, it will give the gypsum only. And you can see here, this plaster of Paris is used for supporting the fracture bones. That material is used, that powder is used, which is mixed with water, and that paste is applied on the fractured bones. And it is also used in the manufacture of toys and in the decoration of smooth surfaces. This plaster of Paris is utilized. And on heating the gypsum at 373, we know that plaster of Paris can be obtained. So this is what is shown here. CaSO4.2H2 is gypsum, which is heated to get the pop, that is again CaSO with half molecule of water. Now how to get back the gypsum from the pop? This is the pop. Calcium sulfate with half molecule of water mixed with 1.5 molecule of water. It will give 2 molecule of water with calcium sulfate, that is gypsum. So this is all about the salts which can be obtained, substances which can be obtained from the salts.